imong bana ate. Naa, di duol. Karon ni karon. Nami diri gilid. Nagkuan mi, nagbanig-banig mi diri. Tog si Dion. Karon nami diri sa gilid-gilid ate. Diri, nagbanig mi. Natog si Dion. Tcharam! Iwis ang anak na tulog. Dog? Soft dog, Dion. Yeah, dog. Police dog. Sophia Kaylee. Sophia Kaylee, dog here. What? Sophia. What mosquitoes? No, not yet. Bye. Gonna turn around. Yay, choo-choo train. Aww. Sophia.
Berkat Kim. Kim, is that yours?
It's a dog.
Come on, my pea shooter.
Oh yeah. tissue. Okay, get your plant.
Lots of sunshine.
Go over there.
Okay.
Get your own plant, okay?
That one. Yeah. How are you? Color one real quick, Evie. Do you have time?
Wait, put soil first, Micah, over there.
We don't have time. But you can take
Put soil first and then you're gonna put the plant. Oh, it's a kite.
I know. I got it.
Knotted, and I spent like an hour getting the knot out. I used to do like 6 stitches. So then I got it done, and then this is now broken. And so every time I started running with it, it would like fly off. Fine, like, you know, that's kids, but so I never
Put soil over there. Oh.
so I just instead like a lot of
It needs sunshine.
For baby sister, this one. For baby sister, this one. This one. For her, for baby sister. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There you go. Yeah, we get the plant now. Wala ng tissue. Ano, na-diagnose na. Noong 4 years old siya. Sus, isa lang yung train. Punong-puno na. Last trip na yan.